We've been using this gray room the whole time. This is our default workspace. But we allow users to change the workspace to have something a bit more conducive to their workflow. To access your workspace panel, click on the settings, and you have a flashlight here. Grab this flashlight out. A piece of UI will pop up once you've grabbed the flashlight. You can also grab the flashlight independently and change the angle of light, which will also influence the shadows. We have 4 default workspaces. We're currently in the gray room. We can go into the black room, a warehouse where we can now see reflections upon the surface, as well as an HDRI where we can also see reflections upon a surface. We do allow users to customize their workspace as well. So by clicking on the custom, you can actually change the temperature or color of your workspace. So you can create something very dark or something very playful. You can also select the custom workspace, which is the zebra stripe. And this allows you to see the surface contours. It's very helpful for surface modeling. To remove this piece of UI, grab it and hit delete.